Good morning, boys and girls. This will be day 2 of week 18, 180 days of reading passage. It says, Rachel's brother Alan was teaching her how to do laundry. It's easy to do laundry. First, adjust the washer settings and choose the water temperature, Alan explained. Cold water helps keep colors bright. After Rachel set the washer to cold, Alan continued, now you have to set the washer for a small load because you only have one thing to wash. Rachel set the washer for a small load. Then Alan said, now put your clothes in and close the washer door. Add some laundry soap, then press the start button. When the washer is finished, we'll put your jeans in the dryer. Alan was right. Laundry was a piece of cake. Number 1. This text is A, all about soap. B, a fictional story about doing laundry. C, a detailed account of professional laundry services. Or D, about Alan teaching Rachel how to cook. Number 2, what does cold water help to do? Is it A, keep colors bright. B, prevent clothes from ripping. C, create more bubbles. Or D, wash clothes faster. Number 3, the word bright has A, a short vowel. B, a long vowel. C, a silent vowel. Or D, no vowel. Number 4, easy and difficult are A, rhymes. B, synonyms. C, antonyms. Or D, similes. And number 5, laundry was a piece of cake is an example of A, an onomatopoeia. B, an allusion. C, a hyperbole. Or D, a metaphor. And that's all for day 2.